Hey friends, RC Drone Club here. Hope you are fine and enjoying your drones. Today I will be talking about the Eachine E8, the exact copy of Dji Mavic Pro. Since the release of the Mavic Pro, the different companies have produced the clones of the Mavic, but this one I'm gonna show you today is the exact copy, or we can say the scale version of the Mavic Pro. This copy is produced by the Eachine and the model name is Eachine E8. When we see the look, the drone is the exact copy of the Mavic Pro, the looks, the drone looks and the controller, and we see the exact same the battery we see. I don't know the Eachine has the copyright of the design or not, but this is the toy grade quadcopter. So now let's talk about the specifications. This is the FPV quadcopter, and like the Mavic Pro, the cell phone is mounted on the transmitter to see the FPV screen. By scanning the QR code, you can download the app and it connected with using Wi-Fi of the drone. The FPV display here is not HD. Camera. The drone comes in two variants of the camera. One is 0.3 megapixel and other is 2 megapixel. With a wide angle, Eachine is claiming that this gives HD display, HD result. As we see, most of the toy grade quadcopters give close to the HD 720 display in the daylight with 2 megapixel wide angle camera, but they are not good as the company suggests. Range. Eachine claims that 80 to 100 meter is the range of this drone, and I believe 100 meters is way too far for this toy. Motors. This drone comes with the brushed motors as obvious. The material is plastic, carbon fiber and metal. Charging time of the battery is 60 minutes, while drone can fly 7 to 9 minutes in one full charge on an average. The drone is small size and foldable and easy to carry, and it's really fun flying this small drone. Drone also has the headless mode. I personally find this feature useless. The drone has 3 levels of speed, which can make more fun with flying. We can easily adjust the speed of the drone. The drone also has the waypoints or tap fly feature, which Eachine is calling trajectory flight. You can simply touch the screen and the drone can fly. Another cool feature is the drone has one key landing and takeoff. By simply pushing the one key, drone can land and can easily take off. The drone also has the one key return home function, but I believe this will not work as most of the toy drones have this function, but they are not of use. This drone also has the altitude hold. It can lock the exact position, hold and retain its altitude by putting in that mode. A year ago, toy drones were not that technology equipped, but now even these cheap toys are coming with these impressive features which one cannot resist to buy. So I'm going ahead and buying this drone right now for myself, and I'm putting the link down for you guys in case you guys are interested in this drone. So thanks for watching. See you all beautiful people next time.